In this video, we'll be making some bird feeders, some made a little bit more chaotically than others, and some just a little bit more normal and simple. So, let's go grab some birdseed and some materials and get started. We are going to start off by making a pretty simple bird feeder. Go and take a porcelain cup or a plastic cup that has a handle. Fill it up with birdseed, make sure not to overfill it though, because this is what you're going to use for your measurement. Go and pour this onto a plate. Add a scoop of coconut oil. You may need more or you may need less. I needed about 1.5 tablespoons. Some peanut butter, and then, after you've added that all together, go and mix it. I'm mixing it with my hands, and it's probably going to be a lot easier if you do so rather than using a spatula. Just keep in mind this is going to be messy. Now, this bird feeder is a little bit better for the fall time and when it's cooler, just because what's going to happen is this is going to kind of start to drip out of it if it's way too warm. You'll see once I hang it. Go and put this into the cup after it's fully mixed. Go and tie a string around the handle, and then go and hang it outside. As you can see, it started to separate from the side, which really isn't too bad. Now, on to the next one. Grab a paper towel roll, fill it with birdseed, and then put it onto a plate. Go and cover this paper towel roll with some peanut butter. If you have a peanut butter allergy, use sun butter, or you could always use almond butter. Make sure it is fully covered, and then plop it down into your birdseed. Roll it around a couple of times, and make sure to really roll back and forth. You want the peanut butter to go and have the birdseed really stick to it. It's also better if you let this sit overnight as well, since it'll go and meld with the oils along with also the peanut butter better. Go and put a piece of string through the center. After you tie a knot, and this is set overnight, you can go and hang this outside. This one is great for pretty much all seasons. As long as it has sat, it's not going to really melt. Now on to the next one. Grab a lemon and slice it in half. Of course, make sure to go and save the contents of this. We don't want to go and waste food. After it is cut in half, which you should go nice and slow, you're going to go and juice one side of it. After you've saved the lemon juice, which you definitely should be, you can easily go and make something like lemon squares or any sort of food, or use this as some sort of seasoning or anything like that. I definitely suggest lemon squares though, because in the summertime, lemon squares are just so great to have. After you've juiced it, try to go and scoop out as much of the contents of the pulp as you possibly can. After that, go and drill some holes on the sides. You don't have to use a drill, but for the fact of just making a bird feeder, why not? After you have holes on both sides, go and fill it with birdseed. After this is filled with birdseed, go and take a string and put it through one hole. This is going to take a little bit of time and a little bit of elbow grease to really go and push it through. On the other side, you might need something to stick it through. I used a paintbrush, and you could pretty much use anything that you really want to just to get it through. Now tie a knot, and then go and hang it outside. With these easy and simple to make bird feeders, you are guaranteed to make bird friends during any season. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, have a great one and take care.